Hey, Charlie here, and just a quick video tutorial on how to maximize the Calendly system. So many people this week have put things on my schedule and needed to either cancel or reschedule, which always happens. But the efficiency that Calendly brings to your life and my life is very simple when it is utilized properly. Calendly negates the need for anyone to actually send me an email saying they need to reschedule and then asking for another open time. Everything's automated. So really quickly, let me show you how this works. So you're a person who has set a time on my calendar, and most calendar systems work this way, by the way, so it's not just Calendly. So you've set something on my calendar using Calendly, and now you need to reschedule. There is no need to send me an email. There is no need to send me a text or a phone call to ask if you can reschedule or cancel. You'll just literally go into your smartphone calendar or your desktop calendar, wherever that is. You'll pull open the event. Now the event has on it at the very bottom 2 links. You need to reschedule? Great. Click the reschedule button. It'll redirect you to my Calendly. It'll give you the open times in which you can schedule something for. We're going to move this appointment to the 9th from the 18th. So we're actually going to move the appointment up. We're going to choose noon, confirm, and I'm just going to put testing the system here. So automatically, that is going to let us basically update everyone's calendar. So whoever was on that calendar invite is now going to get that event updated. Now, easy enough. Let's go back to the calendar. I'm going to look at the 9th where we rescheduled that, and I want to cancel this event. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to open up the event. I'm going to go down to the bottom, and I am going to cancel this event, and I'm going to put testing. It's as easy as that. So as someone who may not own Calendly and you're not using this for your business, this is just helpful information for you to understand how to utilize the system effectively working with our team. But a lot of you are business owners out there that we're helping to build brands and build automation systems and platforms into your business, and you are using Calendly. It's very important that you understand how this works so that you can guide your own team and potential customers to do the exact same thing. We want to make life easier for everybody, and Calendly absolutely does that. So I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.